Europe often describes refugees as a crisis, a political problem, an unexpected pressure on borders, budgets, and social systems. Public debates focus on numbers, security, and control. Election campaigns promise stronger borders and fewer arrivals. The message is clear: Europe is overwhelmed. But behind official statements lies a quieter reality. Europe does not simply tolerate refugees. In many critical sectors, it depends on them. To understand this contradiction, it is necessary to look at Europe's demographic structure. Across the continent, populations are aging. Birth rates have remained below replacement level for decades. More people are retiring than entering the workforce. This trend is not temporary, it is structural. In countries such as Germany, Italy, Spain, and France, labor shortages are already visible. Hospitals struggle to find nurses. Care homes lack staff. Construction projects slow down. Agricultural regions face harvest shortages. These are not future risks. They are present-day realities. Governments are fully aware of this situation. Economic reports and labor forecasts repeatedly warn of workforce decline. Without continuous labor input, economic growth slows and public services weaken. Yet openly acknowledging the need for migration is politically risky. Migration has become one of the most sensitive political issues in Europe. Public opinion is deeply divided. Fear-based narratives dominate media coverage. As a result, European governments pursue a dual strategy. Publicly, they emphasize restriction. Privately, they manage migration to meet economic demand. This is why Europe does not aim to stop migration entirely. It aims to control it. Refugees often fill positions that local populations no longer want or cannot sustain. Agriculture, logistics, cleaning, manufacturing, and elderly care depend heavily on migrant labor. In Germany, refugees are placed into language and vocational programs soon after arrival. In Italy and Spain, agricultural production relies on seasonal migrant workers. In the United Kingdom, healthcare systems depend on foreign-born staff. Without this labor, entire sectors would struggle to function. At the same time, Europe has externalized border control. Rather than stopping migration at its own borders, it works with neighboring countries. Agreements with Turkey and North African states involve billions of euros. These deals are designed to manage where refugees go and who reaches Europe. Migration is not eliminated. It is filtered. Young, healthy, and employable individuals are more likely to be integrated. Others remain outside Europe's borders, often in prolonged uncertainty. This system has created a growing migration management industry. Border surveillance, detention facilities, and logistics services generate significant profit. Human movement becomes a process to be administered. Within this structure, refugees occupy an uneasy position. They are portrayed as a burden in public discourse, yet quietly relied upon in labor markets. This contradiction explains why the refugee crisis never truly ends. It is not chaos, it is management. Europe does not want uncontrolled migration, but it does want migrants, just not openly, and not without control. That is the reality hidden behind Europe's borders.